Hi guys, welcome to all in our YouTube channel. Hello sir. Today in this video we are talking about what will be the rough opening for 10-foot garage door and what will be header size required for installation of 10-foot garage door and why we place header above the opening. Today in this diagram we understand about in several European countries of cold region and United States there is a most of house is made of wooden frame structure and there is a combination of you look there, this is the opening here, this is the opening actual door width and this is the header and above the header there is a top plate and to support the load that is acting on header, that is cripple stud, and header collect the load above the roof and that transfer to the adjacent stud that is known as jack stud, and jack stud finally transfer the load to king stud and from king stud load is transferred to sill plate and then goes to soil, and this is header. And now we understand about first the rough opening for 10-foot garage door. Here actual door width will be 10 foot. It is given what will be a rough opening width. You must remember the rough opening width is more than 3 inches. It is about 3 inch more than actual door width. That's why it is 10 foot 3 inches. The actual door width is about 10 foot. Their rough opening width will be 10 foot and 3 inches. This one. And what will be the rough opening height? The actual door height of garage must be about 7 foot or 8 foot. If you take 7 foot, then a rough opening height will be 1.5 inches is more than actual door height. That's why it is about 8 foot and half inches. And what will be header length? Header length is more 9 inches than actual door width. That's why if the door width is 10 foot, then header length will be 10 foot and 9 inches. But in this topic, we describe about what will be the header size if your width of garage door is 10 feet. Now, header size. As you know that the header size depends on live load, dead load, species of wood and building code. But our suggestion, if your garage door width is 10 foot, then header size you should be take two pieces of 2 into 10 lumber, or either it can be also used two piece of 1 and 3 by 4 inches multiply by 9.5 inches of Versa-lam. It may be Glulam and laminated veneer lumber. You can use our recommendation to use either two piece of 2 into 10 lumber or either two piece of 1 and 3 by 4 inches multiply by 9 and 1 by 2 inches. This is depth of the header and this is width of the header. This is also used for single story building. If your roof is single story, that's why we can use two piece of 2 into 10 number for installing 10 foot wide garage door. And what will be the rough opening for 10 foot garage door? Understand this. Thank you.